Welcome to Thai Cooking channel. And today we're gonna make Chicken Sambal Balado. And these are the ingredients. This yum recipe only takes 40 minutes to complete. Let's cooking. First, put the chicken piece in a large bowl and sprinkle with turmeric and salt. Rub the chicken thoroughly with the spice. Add a little bit of water and stir.
After that, put everything aside and let's prepare our next ingredients. Trust me, it's gonna taste really good and yummy.
In case you didn't have food chopper, you may always use food processor or even mortar and pestle. You may find all of these ingredients at your nearby Asian grocery store. Chop chop, we are done. At last, we can heat vegetable oil in frying pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, you may add the chicken, a few pieces at a time, without overcrowding the frying pan. Cook until the chicken is semi-fried and slightly golden brown, turning the chicken after about 4 minutes. Be careful, let the chicken drain. Please make sure to bring the oil back to temperature before each batch. No. It smells so good and flavorful. I just can't wait to start cooking our chicken sambal balado. This is my most favorite part of this recipe. It is time for us to add sliced tomatoes and stir. I'm using it as umami for this recipe. Don't forget to stir often our fresh sliced tomatoes to keep it from burning. It is essential for us to stir fry the tomatoes till it becomes soft and pulpy. After that, we can add on our chili paste. Bring to simmer and stir occasionally.
Saute the mixture again to combine all ingredients.
It smells so good already. I promise you will get extra flavorful taste by using fresh ingredients.
Okie dokie. Now, we need to keep stirring nicely, evenly and slowly so that the chili paste cook very well. And look at that. What a nice fiery chili paste.
We need to be patient for a while and keep stirring. Please don't forget to season our tomatoes and chili paste with sugar, salt, and also lemon juice.
Our chili paste are almost ready. We can mix it all together now. We are so close to complete our mission today. Now is it crucial for us to add on our main ingredient, that is
Semi-fried chicken or half cooked. Keep stirring evenly, and we must make sure all the fried chicken are well coated. You see, it's actually quite simple to make chicken sambal balado from scratch, right? Don't forget to try this yummy chicken sambal balado recipe at home.
Thank you for watching my video, and I will be sharing more quick and easy improvised recipe next time. Stay tuned.